Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread using just one banana. This simple recipe is perfect for a single serving or a small treat. We will go through each step, from gathering your few ingredients to baking a warm, comforting loaf. Get ready to enjoy a quick and easy homemade delight that's surprisingly satisfying for its small scale. Now, let's get started with the wet ingredients. First, take your one ripe banana and mash it really well in a small bowl until it's nice and smooth. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, whisking them together. Finally, beat in 1 large egg and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is perfectly combined. Moving on, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget to add a small pinch of salt. It really helps to enhance the flavor. Now, gently fold this dry mixture into your wet ingredients until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious creation. Pour the batter into a greased small loaf pan or divide it among a few muffin cups. Bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Enjoy your warm, homemade banana bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.